Ever wondered if you can tap into the immense power of Gemini Ultra without dipping into your wallet? Let's find out how. While Gemini Ultra is a premium offering, there are several avenues to explore for potential cost-free access, and we're diving deep into them right now. First, keep a hawk's eye on official promotions and limit time free trials directly from Google as Gemini Ultra expands its reach. They often introduce introductory offers to encourage users to experience its advanced capabilities. This means regularly checking the official Gemini website and Google AI News channels, sign up for newsletters, or set up alerts, so you don't miss any announcements about free access periods or special promotions. Sometimes, access to premium AI models can be bundled with other services or offered as part of educational programs or research initiatives. Look into university partnerships or developer programs that might grant access to cutting-edge AI for specific use cases. Engaging with AI communities online can also be incredibly beneficial. Enthusiasts and early adopters often share legitimate methods or upcoming opportunities to try out powerful AI models like Gemini Ultra for free. Remember, the landscape of AI access is constantly evolving. Stay curious, stay informed, and you might just find your gateway to experiencing the full potential of Gemini Ultra without any cost.